The big breaking news coming in right now. The Supreme Court has given the go-ahead to the Central Vista project. In a hearing that took place just a short while ago, the verdict was given. The Supreme Court has said that the new Parliament complex construction can go ahead. The majority judgment says all permissions are proper and the government can go ahead with the project. Remember, several petitions had been filed against the Central Vista project, which involves the Parliament building as well as the entire stretch leading up to the President's house, and in that entire area is going to be changed over the next couple of years. And several petitions had been filed against this, questioning the kind of permissions that were given, questioning whether there were environmental clearances that were done properly. However, the Supreme Court has said the Central Vista project can indeed go ahead. It had also become a political issue, with the many in the opposition questioning the expenditure of hundreds of crores on this project at a time when the country is dealing with a coronavirus pandemic. So let's just take you through what the Supreme Court has said. The majority judgment says all permissions are proper. The government can go ahead with the project. The Supreme Court says we hold that there are no infirmities in clearances given, the change in land use and environmental clearances, set up smoke towers and use smoke guns in the construction site, as concerns had been raised about the pollution that the project would be causing. So that's the big breaking news right now. The Central Vista project, which includes the new Parliament building, that can go ahead. Remember, the stone-laying ceremony for the foundation stone-laying ceremony for the new Parliament project had taken place with much fanfare a few weeks ago, though at that time the Supreme Court had expressed some anger over that and said that wait till the final judgment before you start, construction on this entire project. So that the function had taken place. And now the Supreme Court has given its go-ahead to the Central Vista project as well as the new Parliament complex building. There had been several reasons why the government had wanted to change the Parliament building, because it was a very, very old structure and there were several concerns about it and about the earthquake readiness of the building as well, for which this new Parliament building had been proposed.